How to check out Git repository? I'm going to show you in a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Berton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about Ansible module Git. The full name is ansible.builtin.git, which means it's part of a collection of modules built in with Ansible and shipped with it. This module is pretty stable and out for years. The purpose is to deploy software or file from Git checkout in our managed host. The parameter list is pretty wide, but I will summarize the most useful options. The only required parameters are repo and test. Repo specifies the source repository URL. Test specifies the destination path. The update retrieves new revision from the already synced origin repository. The most interesting return value is after that contains the latest commit after the update process. Let's jump in a real-life playbook to check out Git repository with Ansible playbook. And welcome to my editor. Like usual, we start with 3-, which means that is a YAML document. The name of the play is Git module demo. Let's specify the target host, in my case all. Then privilege escalation, I think we don't need, so let's set to false. The task list, so first of all, let's start with a name. So we could be checkout Git repository, yes. And the module specification, in my case, ansible.builtin.git. That is the name of the module. So parameters, repo, and let's start with all the URL of the repository. In my case, let's pick up the one of the course, so HTTPS github.com/lukab85/ansible-pilot.git. Yes, destination, so dest. Let's put in the home directory of the user that we use for the connection, so /home devops and ansible-pilot. And that's it. We create our demo with Git module. Let's jump to the console and see in action. Here we are on my console. First of all, let me connect to the target host and just verify that in the home directory there is no repository, and there is none. Let me exit and execute the playbook with ansible-playbook -c inventory, checkout git YML, and let's see the execution. Okay, there is a problem, a fatal. It seems that a Git package is not installed. We could install the package manually, or maybe it's installed by Ansible. Let me show you how using the YAM module. So in the task list, let me create some space. In my case, I create a new task named ensure that Git package is installed. Okay, and then I'm going to use the module ansible.builtin.yam. So, okay, with parameter, let's specify the name of the package, in my case, Git. And on the state, we need the package to be installed, so state, installed is present. Okay, let me add one space and save a file. Damn it, I was nearly to forgot. We need the super user power, so we need to specify the privilege escalation. Now it will work. We are back on the console. Let's execute our playbook. So let's see that is gathering the facts. The next task is to ensure that Git package is installed. It's taking a while, so it means that something is happening under the hood. And we are expecting a changed status, which means that the package is downloaded, installed and verified on the target machine, that is demo.example.com. Let's wait a second, and here we are, changed, so it's done. And now it's getting the Git, is successfully downloaded. Notice the 2 changed status in our recap area. Let me connect to the target machine so we could verify that in the home directory of DevOps there is yes a folder with Ansible-pilot, and here we are, the content of the repository. Yay! Success! Now you know how to check out a Git repository with Ansible. Subscribe to channel not to miss the next episode of Ansible Pilot.